All infants actually have their own personality as they get a bit older, and if you have more than one child, I'm sure you'll be able to tell that your first child and your third child could be seemingly polar opposites. Most children, though, go through several stages, and in the beginning, after a month or two, and they start paying attention to you and they start to look at you and smile, it's an absolutely great feeling. And from then until 5-6 months, they probably interact with everybody. And some children continue to interact with everybody, are not afraid of strangers. And those are the children you can't take to the mall of the year and not be careful with them because they'll run off. Whereas most babies are going to want to stay with their mom. They'll have stranger anxiety. And if you go to the doctor's sort of the ultimate stranger because they're going there, they're getting their vaccines, and around 6 months, they're usually not too happy coming. You'll see that all babies' development occurs in like a head-to-toe fashion. They'll roll before they sit, they'll sit before they'll crawl before they stand. And then once they start reaching a year of age, if you think about it, their needs are always met. They're hungry, they cry, they want to eat, they're fed. And around a year of age now, once they start walking, they have a bit of independence. And that independence, if you say no, you are going to get resistance. And the thing is not to keep saying no. The more you say no, the less it's going to mean. So you can say, well, let's not do this, let's do that. They may not understand you in a year, but if you are consistent in your approach, that will start to slowly settle in. And if something is really serious, where they could get themselves into problems, the best thing to do is just take it away or take them away from the situation. And sometimes they'll have tantrums. And if they have a tantrum, let them be. There are some children who have more tantrums than others.